Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will share with you an English word every Monday, Wednesday and Friday on this slot. An English word on alternative day with Jana. Our word today is open. Although we commonly understand open means allow or let in, for example, the cats came into the house through the open windows. Actually, there are other meanings of open, like in business, it could be available for business. For example, the beauty salon stays open until 9 p.m. It could also be unique or spread out. For example, the eagle open its wings and fly up into the air. I hope you love my session and understand the small knowledge I share with you. Okay, see you in the next slot. Bye.